Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to insert image or photo in Excel. For this we need to open an Excel file like my I did already, book 1, and beside the home menu we need to click on insert, then go to picture, and from your desktop you can select any picture which you want to upload. Uh, for this video I am going to select one of my image, all 22, and select and insert. After insert, the image will automatically insert on your Excel sheet. Look, this is like an image, and from the corner you can resize your image. Okay, and after selecting, you can rotate. Then if you want to delete, you can delete by click and delete button. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.